Good morning and welcome to the video. Now this video is going to follow my week because I have set up a listing challenge with Derek over on the Tap Peddler channel. I'll try and remember to link his channel below. I did one of these with Rod a few months back and it really kept me on track with listing. So the plan is I will check in every day this week. The challenge is going from Monday to Friday, and show you what I'm working on and then let you know how many items I managed to get listed each day and what the monetary value was. Now I've picked a heck of a week to do this. Yesterday we were so busy. We've got so much going on at the moment. It was virtually a write-off. I didn't actually get any new listings up. I did manage to get a bit of research done at the end of the day, but yesterday, which was Monday, it's now Tuesday, was a 0 day for listings, so it's not great on a week when I set up a challenge with somebody. But today I've got a load of stuff ready to get working on. As I said, I did some research on this yesterday. It's more of the Lego stuff, so I'll quickly show you what I'm working on today. Okay, so if we come down here you can see Lego. So I've been looking through all of the figures. Most of this is the Star Wars stuff. This is where I'm going to start. Got a little bundle of droids there. I've worked out prices. I think that's going on for about £12–13. Oh, these are probably my favourite little bundle. 4 Ewoks. I think I'm going to aim for 20 for the 4 here. Really nice. We've got some Jawas. I'm doing those 3 together. This one is a slightly rarer variant. These are nice. These are little Christmas ones. So we've got this white Chewie with his weapons and stuff. This Santa C3PO and a special edition C3PO. £10 with 99p to cover the shipping on those. So that gives you an idea. So we've got some Geonosians. There's a Greedo, these musicians. I was going to do the Mos Eisley Cantina as a set, but I really struggled to complete it. So I'm doing something else with that now, and I've split all the figures out from that. Nice one here, little Plo Koon. There's a Yoda, a little Ninjago bundle. So you get the idea. I've done a little bundle here of some of the classics, which is quite nice. Some of these little skeleton horses, Hulk, a big bundle here, a big bundle there, all these different stormtroopers and clone troopers, bundle of weapons, and some Minecraft. So that is what I'm going to start on. Well, I thought I'd show you my storage for small stuff. So this is going to go in this drawer. They're split into 2 inside, so you have 35 and 36, so we'll call that 35, and then that will go in the SKU box, so I know where to find it once it sells. Right, it's now Wednesday, and I thought I'd fill you in with how I did yesterday with the listing. So I managed 20 new listings for a grand total of £383. That was all Lego. Today is a packaging day. I've got to get my packaging done. There's a lot going on at the moment. The video that we put out about the eBay return has kind of gone a bit mental. We're getting loads of messages. That's taking up a lot of headspace at the moment, in a good way, but it's, you know, taking my attention. Also today I look after my sister's twin girls, so that's going to take a chunk out of the day, but I do plan to get a bunch more listing done. I'm going to do some more Lego lots, more figures, more job lots and that sort of stuff. So lots to be getting on with today. Just quickly, whilst I'm picking the orders, I'll show you some of the Lego, seeing as that's what I've been listing, that has already sold. So this little Dewback and Stormtrooper, this was all listed yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah. So it's sold nice and quick. 35 I got on him. This I ended up splitting this out from that Cantina set. So got 35 on that, which was really good actually. This spider droid, that was listed at 20, took an offer that came in at 17 with shipping on top. And this droid ship that you may have seen, that has sold. I listed that at 40. It was missing one bit, which I declared obviously, but yeah, sold it overnight. It's got the manual with that. So yeah, it just shows Lego is amazing. I do love selling Lego. You get the right stuff listed at the right price, nice pictures, and it just sells itself. It really does. So I've got to pick the rest of the orders. I've picked a few more bits so far. Let me quickly share. Sold another one of these cigarette cards. That's gone for 5. Dora Wii game has gone for 5. And the last, I think these are the last bits of the Pulte like steam cleaner thing. These 2 extension poles have gone for 20. And I've got a bunch more stuff to pick. I've sold another. I'm selling the mixed general Lego by the kilo. I've sold another 3 kilos of that. I think I've done 10 kilos or so in the last few days. So that sells itself as well. So yeah, and Andrea sold a bunch of stuff that I need to get her to bring through so I can package it all up. Anyway, I'll speak to you later. Hello, just back from looking after the twins. Completely forgot to get them in the vlog again, which is annoying. I always forget. I'm just about to package this. Now, if you've seen the video about the return, check out what I've just sold. Another one of these. This is a slightly smaller headlight. It's only gone for £100, but it just makes you nervous knowing what we went through with the last one. So crossing fingers and toes that this one doesn't turn into a return and an ordeal. I'm sure it'll be fine. Hello again, it's now Thursday and I thought I would update you with how I got on listing yesterday. It wasn't particularly productive, I'll be honest. 13 new listings. Not good. For a grand total of £368. So it's not going particularly well. I have excuses there, they're barely worth even talking about. I've had so many messages about the video we put out about the eBay return. Some really helpful advice on you know what to do moving forward, and a lot of support for that video. A lot of people thanking us for highlighting it and sharing it. I think on the video now it's 600 or 700 messages. I can't even keep up with reading those, and I've had so many private messages about the situation in the video, so that has kind of consumed my mind. But that's a poor excuse, it really is. So that's where I'm at. It's now Thursday. I'm just about to carry on listing. Quick update, the listing's going well, but I've had a lot of interruptions again, and these are not just excuses. I had a phone call from eBay in response to the video we made. I won't go into the detail here because they're going to send a follow-up email that I'll be able to read out maybe in another video. So it's been an interesting day. It has been productive. I've been doing quite well. I'm just putting some of the Lego away in the cabinet, so I'll show you that. Okay, so I've just listed these. These are windows and doors from a police station. Just done a little bundle of those. So these will go in here. And this is now filling up. So you've got figures, there's Greedo. Yeah, I really find this handy. So there you go, that is what's in there. A lot of the other Lego, this is all listed. I've done all of these today, baseboards and other stuff. Here's some other bundles of figures. So all of this is listed. More Lego up here, more Lego down here, all listed now. So we're getting there. I'm going to work on this next. This is Technics. Well, good morning. It's now Friday and the last chance I have to get anywhere with this listing challenge. But as I think I mentioned earlier in the video, we're actually going away for the weekend, so we're leaving shortly. So I don't actually have very long and I have a load of packaging to do. So I'm not going to get anything listed today, but yesterday was actually really quite productive. I'm not going to share the numbers because I'm going to do a video with Derek where we compare numbers and see how we got on. I don't want to reveal that beforehand, and this video might go up before that live stream. I'm not sure. But what I did think I'd do is share a few orders that are going out. I've just picked some of the orders, so we'll take a look at those. Okay, so let's quickly go through a few bits. Some of you may remember this. I had that listed on Buy It Now. It's an RC from Toy Story, and it's the Thinkway one. Sadly, it's missing the aerial and the hand controller. I had it on at Buy It Now for a while, a lot of interest, but nobody was biting. I switched it to an auction starting at 30, and it had a couple of bids and it sold for 31. Something else that's been sat around for ages are these binoculars. Nice leather case, but nothing fancy really. I switched those over to auction starting at £15. I can't open them, there we go. And they got one bid, so 15 plus shipping on those. Oh, this is going to Sue from Sue's Piles of Shame. Lovely lady. It's a piece of Lego that she needed to complete a set, I assume, and she messaged me and I found it. So Sue, that's on its way. Another one of these Now 4 albums has gone. That was the last one. The I Love My Pony sign is going, and it's going to a subscriber. So thank you so much, Lisa, for the message and for the order. Lego has been selling really well. These are a little bundle of Ewoks. They've gone for 20. These two guys have gone for, I think it was £14, something like that. I've actually had a couple of orders just come in. 5. So these have gone. There's not much value in the Minecraft figures, but I got £9 for those bits. This guy, which is Plo Koon, he has gone for £8. The Lego is going really well. Some usual suspects, a nice Suzu truck oil filter, a couple more filters there, that's going to the same buyer. This Panasonic headset. These Goliath boots have gone for 25, so that's good. Make some space. This is nice. Disney Animation, The Illusion of Life. Great big like coffee table book. I took an offer on it to get it moving of £25 with shipping on top of £7 to cover the courier. Yeah, that was a really nice find. It was in a charity shop for a couple of pounds, which was an absolute bargain. Gorgeous book. So that's going to its new owner, which is fantastic. So I've got to really get cracking, get all of this packaged up and out of the door, and then head off. Anyway, I will leave you there. Thank you for watching. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.